Hey, this is David Consumer. So I made some recent changes. This is going to be on the next release that comes out. I changed like how save and load work. I thought it was a little bit simpler. So if you go here, basically there's like name now, and there's save and load and new. So new will wipe everything. Name is whatever saves or loads, and song is the default. It's still the default, so if you keep it as song, that's what's like auto loaded when it first boots up. And so, for example, if I want to change the name of this, if I want to save it as something other than song, I click here, and I can do the same stuff that you saw in the other video with suggest, and I can do capital letters, and I can delete, etc. So if I hit OK here, nothing really happens. But if I hit save or load, it'll now use used funny, or fire short, or broccoli between, or oven injury. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, so all right, so let's see. Let's make sure that works. So if I go here, I'll make my favorite little kick drum. Also, in earlier videos, you couldn't change the length, but I changed that. So now you can actually add and subtract pattern stuff. Um, I don't know how useful that is, but I feel like sometimes you might want really long ones or short little repeating patterns that go back and forth. I don't know if I'm going to implement like copy and paste. Like as useful as that is, I don't know. It's a little tricky. So I kind of like that things are just like you can kind of copy a pattern by just playing it again um, in song mode. So I don't know. I might add it, but anyway, it's not there now. But you can change the length, and you can also change the length of the song. And so by default, it's just one length, but you can add more if you need them. If that makes sense. Um, and the number that's there is like one more. So like in this situation, there's only one pattern, so it says one. Um, so it doesn't actually play that. It's just telling you how many there are total. Um, okay, so if we look at pattern, well, let's look at pattern 0. Um, we've got this, and let's save it and make sure. So I didn't change the name or anything. This is going to be called oven injury, and it saved. And let's change it around. And if I go to load, I can choose oven injury, and it sets the name, and it erased the new changes that I just made. So I mean, these are dumb little features, but I feel like they might help like with like larger scale composition, or I don't know, just it makes it a little faster to get around because you kind of can just work with like one song at a time or whatever. Um, but yeah, that's it. Have fun.